Hello and welcome back, children. In today's session, we're going to learn something new. Do you know, children, we're surrounded by different shapes all around. So, today, we're going to learn about shapes. Children, there are two types of shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes. In today's session, we're going to learn about 2D shapes. So, let's understand what is a 2D shape. A 2D shape is also called a flat plane shape. So any shape which is flat and plane is called 2D shape. The word 2D basically means a shape having a length and a breadth is called 2D. 2D means two dimensions. The longer one is called the length and the shorter one is called the breadth. So any shape that has two dimensions is called 2D shape. Also remember, a 2D shape is a closed plane figure. So today we're going to learn and understand about different types of 2D shapes and their different properties. So first of all, in order to understand different shapes and some facts about them, let us understand the meaning of these two important words, side and corner. So children, what is a side? If you see in this particular 2D shape, a side is being marked. So let us understand what is side. Any line that makes a flat or a plane shape is called a side. So if you see, this is a straight line. There are four straight lines which are joining and basically making a shape, which is called a 2D shape. Children, always remember a 2D shape has only one face. Okay, children? So, what is a side? A line that makes any flat or a plane shape is called a side. What is a corner? The point where two sides meet is called a corner. Corner is also called vertex. And when there are more than one corner, you call it vertices. So, if you see in this particular point, two sides is meeting at this point. So, this point is called the corner. Okay, children? So today we'll be learning about different types of shapes. The first is square. If you see, this is a square, children. A square has four sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. As we just read, a straight line is called a side, right? So there are four sides of a square. And how many corners? If you see, the sides meeting at different points, and there are four different points, and the point where the sides meet are called corner. So this is a corner. So a square has four sides and four corner, and also all the sides of the square are equal in length. Have a look at some examples of square. This is a chessboard, a bread, a carom board, a normal biscuit. So these are some examples of a square. Next, rectangle. Just like a square, rectangle also has four sides and four corners. Just observe, four sides and four corners. Right, children? But the only difference is that in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Opposite means just in front. For example, if you see, the longer one is called the length, which is opposite to it, this side. So this is equal to this side, and the shorter one is equal to the one exactly opposite to that. So basically, you just have to keep in mind that a rectangle has four sides and four corners. Some examples of rectangle: a biscuit, a bourbon biscuit, these waffles, a box of a chocolate. These are all examples of the shape of rectangle. Let's read about a triangle now. What is a triangle? A triangle is a three-sided figure with three corners. If you see, this is a triangle. It has three sides and these sides are meeting at three corners. Okay, children? Let's have a look at examples of triangle. A sandwich, a samosa, and this is a geometrical instrument. So these are some examples of a triangle. Let's read about circle now. Hello everyone, I am a circle. I don't have any corners. A circle does not have any corner. It has only one face. See, there's a story and a poem over here. I am a circle, I am a circle. Watch me bend, watch me bend. I'm just a curved line that will never end. I am a circle, I am a circle. So, circle does not have any corners, children. Always remember. Alright, children, let's have a look at the examples of circle: a coin, a clock, a CD, and a wheel. Now, let us solve some pages from your book Maths is Fun. Page 62. Let's have a look. Looking at the first question, tick the one that is the same shape. For example, a shape is being made here and some different options are made. You just have to tick looking at the first image. You have to find out the same shape over here. This is a triangle, children. So, do you find a triangle over here? Yes. So, put a tick over here. Let's have a look at the other one. This is a rectangle. Do you find this similar shape over here? Yes, over here. So, put a tick. Next is a square and a shape similar to a square towards your right side. Can you have a look? Yes, the one at the last one. So, this is how you have to do these questions. Now, tick the one that is the same size. So, children, see, size means which is absolutely similar and of the same size. Over here, the square and the second square is almost the same size. So you just have to put the tick. If you see and compare these three, this one is the bigger. Then this is the biggest, then the bigger and the small. Right? So over here, if you see, the first one is exactly of the same size given outside. So this is the way you just have to put tick on the shape which is of the same size. Moving on to page 63. How many? Now, see, there are some fill in the blanks given here. For example, a triangle has dash sides. So we've just learned how many sides does a triangle have? 3 sides. So write down 3 in that box. Next, a square has dash corners. 4 corners. Rectangle has dash sides. How many sides? 4 sides. And a circle has dash corners. How many corners? 0 corners. Now, you have to color the shape in the house. Color all the squares in the house with yellow color. And a rectangle with a pink color. And a circle with a green color. And the triangle with the blue color. So children, isn't it fun? You are learning while having fun, right? Now, moving on. Table of 7. Table of 7 you will be writing in your notebook. Let's read it. 7 zeros are 0. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, and 7 tens are 70. Children, you have to learn the table of 7 and also write it in your notebook neatly. Moving on, the homework. Children, for your homework, you have to draw these shapes in your notebook and also write the facts related to each shape neatly. For example, this is a square. So you have to write the name of the shape along with the information that we just read about each shape. The sides, 4, corner, 4. It has one face. Always remember, children, any 2D shape has only one face. Write some examples related to square. This is what you have to do in your notebook. A square, rectangle, triangle, and the last one, the circle. So these 4 shapes you have to draw in your notebook neatly and also write the facts related to each shape neatly. Okay, children, I hope you've understood today's concept of 2D shape. A 2D shape is a plain closed shape. Okay, children, thank you. Have a nice day.